first step is to choose the server mode, where we can decide whether the connection should use HTTP, HTTPS, or both. After that, we specify whether the server should listen on all available network interfaces or be restricted to a specific one, depending on our requirements. Once that is configured, we define the TCP port for the REST API server. By default, it listens on port 3003 for HTTP and 3443 for HTTPS, but these values can be adjusted if necessary. To ensure a secure connection, we should enable HTTPS and provide a valid TLS SSL certificate along with a private key. This encrypts all API communications and is highly recommended. If you don't already have a TLS SSL certificate, you can generate a certificate signing request using the built-in CSR creation helper. This allows you to obtain a certificate from a certificate authority or create a self-signed certificate. Additionally, you can configure the reload interval, which determines how frequently the system checks for certificate updates and applies them dynamically without requiring a manual update. For this example, we will use embedded certificates. To further secure access, we define permissions that control which endpoints each role or token has access to, restricting which users can retrieve or modify system data. Additionally, tag filters can be configured to determine which parts of the tag model are accessible for each user role or token. This allows for granular control over data exposure, ensuring that users or applications can only access the necessary data. In this example, we will grant full control to the administrator role and set up token-based access with read-only permissions for a specific part of the tag model.